Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to transfer money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer money with Emirates NBD, the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Emirates NBD login, then simply tap on Emirates NBD internet banking shown to you. Then once you're inside there, log in with the username and password, then tap on login. Then once logged in, what you need to do is go to pay and transfer. Inside pay and transfer, select transfer, then choose the account you are sending money from, then enter the beneficiary details like account number or phone number if supported, then simply enter the amount and confirm. This type of transfer is usually instant for local accounts. Then if you want to transfer to other banks in the UAE, simply follow the same steps by simply heading over and opening up the login page of the Emirates NBD. Then what you need to do is select pay and transfer once again, then select transfer, then choose the account you are sending from, then have the beneficiary if not on your list, then enter their account details and transfer amount, then confirm and submit. Local bank transfers are sent same day or within hours depending on timing and details. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.